Here is the main character for this video. Now, let's go to Hannah Baron channel analytics. She has uploaded 122 videos. She now has 304k subscribers with a total view of 46,009,120 views. Her channel type is entertainment, and she created her channel since May 10, 2017. The grade she got is B, and her Social Blade ranking is at 104,187th. The subscriber ranking is 87,031st, and then video view rank is 120,530th. She ranked at 18,527th in entertainment. Next, the daily subs for Hannah is around 234 with a daily view of 65,390. Now let's talk about how much money is she making on YouTube, and this is going to be an estimate. So, the daily view is 65,000. A YouTuber will get $4 every 1,000 views. Therefore, the daily earning will be $260. Then, monthly income will be $7,800. Don't forget that YouTube get the cut of the revenue for 45%. Now, monthly income will be $4,290 after the cut. And as for the yearly income will be $51,480. That is how much Hannah Baron earns from YouTube.